In this video, we will show how to change the transmission fluid and filter on a 2017 Chevrolet 2500 with the 6.0 gas engine and 6L90 transmission. The first thing the mechanic will do is pop the hood and remove the transmission check stick. Next, he will get underneath of the vehicle and locate the transmission pan as he shows here. Before removing any pan bolts, be sure to have a drain pan ready for the fluid to drain into. Now, with a 10mm socket, remove all of the pan bolts from the transmission as the mechanic does here. Quick tip, leave one bolt in the pan and let the back lower down to drain some of the fluid out. This keeps from making a mess. Reminder, all tools and parts used will be listed in the video description below. The mechanic will now remove the transmission filter and replace the seal in the pump. Inspect the pan for any debris such as clutch material or metal shavings. This one seems pretty clean. Clean the transmission pan and the magnet inside. These transmissions come with a reusable gasket from factory, but if you want to put a new one on anyways, you can. We are now ready to install the new transmission filter. The mechanic will apply some assembly goo to the neck of the filter so it is easier to slide past the pump seal. Now slide the new filter in. If something doesn't feel right, then start over. You don't want a chance breaking anything inside this transmission. As you can see here, the neck of the filter is all the way against the pump. Also, look at the top of the filter on the back. The plastic sticking up is between the transmission control module and neutral safety switch. With a dry rag, wipe off the transmission where the pan is going back on for a nice dry surface to seal against. We can now install the transmission pan. Start every bolt with your fingers to help prevent against cross-threading the pan bolts. All 18 transmission pan bolts will torque to 80 inch-pounds. Clean off any surface where transmission fluid may have spilled. We are now ready to add fluid. Use Mobil 1 full synthetic LVATF-HP with the blue label as we are showing here. You will want to add 4 quarts of transmission fluid before starting the truck. Now we can start the engine. Be sure that the vehicle is on level ground with the transmission in park as we show here. These will typically hold around 6 quarts, so add 1 more quart and start checking the fluid level from there as you add. After checking, we are still low, so we will start adding our 6th quart. As you can see here, it took 6 quarts to fill the transmission up, but we are not done yet. You will need to get the transmission up to operating temperature and check the fluid level again. If you're unsure of how to watch the trans temp, we will show you. On your cluster, you will see a knob beside your speedometer. Turn it right or left to navigate through your vehicle settings until you find the trans temperature. You will want the transmission temperature somewhere between 95 and 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you get to that temperature, recheck the fluid level and add accordingly. Thanks for watching this video and please give a like and subscribe.